JFF President Michael Ricketts says despite the Reggae Boyz quarterfinal exit from the CONCACAF Gold Cup, Coach Theodore Whitmore's future with the team is secure. Citing the considerable resources used for the tournament, Ricketts says he was disappointed with the early exit, but responding to Jordan Fort on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Wednesday, he said Whitmore has nothing to worry about.
Absolutely not, no. Oh. I can assure Coach Whitmore that his job is okay. His contract goes as far, at least for now, as far as the qualifiers. Yeah. I had discussions with Coach Whitmore just today. We will have a formal sit down next week, and certainly we look at what the negatives were and how best we can have them corrected. It has to be best practices if we want to go to the World Cup.
Ricketts added that Whitmore has urged him to get reinforcements for a particular area, especially with several players getting their Jamaican passports in recent times.
He did say to me that he really needs a holding midfielder, and I am pretty certain that from that group he will select maybe one, maybe two, not so sure. But we have the documentation for these players.
And of course, the Reggae Boyz' first game in the World Cup qualifies against Mexico on September 2.